Oke, thank you sudah direkam. Sudah record ya. Okay, today we are going to talk about how to calculate the concrete work. Before that, I will analyze what actual work of the concrete. Like our array about job description, I already have several items. First is footplate. Footplate. Footplate is the foundation for the house. Okay. First, what we have to take a look from the footplate is the size of the footplate. Take a look on the drawing of the detail. Yeah. Okay. For example, this drawing. Okay. The drawing of footplate is like this. Ya. Ini yang putus-putus ini adalah gambar dari footplate. Oke, the question is, berapa dimensi dari footplate ini?
Pak.
Ya.
Excuse me, 100 kali 100. You are talking to Abraham. Before I was having problem in connection, so sorry for being late. So may you do my absence.
Okay.
Yeah.
Thank absent you. Number 1. Oke.
Saya juga, Pak.
Number 2.
Oh, Abraham. Nomor
absen 17 juga, Pak.
17. Uzula.
Present, Pak.
Ada lagi? Oke. Number 1 belum ya?
Number 2.
Oh, number 2 Abraham. Oke.
Yeah.
Ini, absen ini. Dah.
Thank you, Pak.
Oke, thank you. Abraham. Ali Rizky belum.
Hadir, Pak. Saya, Pak.
Oh, sudah. Andi Sultan belum ya? So, we still have not Andi Sultan and Abdul Rahman. Okay. Our first calculation is about footplate. Footplate, yeah, footplate. Now, let's take a look which part of the footplate. Okay, before we calculate the footplate, we have to take a look the drawing of foundation detail. Now over here, based on this drawing, we get the information that the size of this is the drawing of footplate, guys. Yeah, so this is the element of footplate. And how to calculate the volume of this item? Okay, let's make it easy. Let's assume that the size of this foundation is 1 meter, ya. Based on this drawing, ini lebarnya adalah 1 meter. But unfortunately, we not have any other detail of drawing from footstep foundation, ya. So let's assume that the size of the footplate foundation is 1 meter times 1 meters. Okay, this is the drawing from top, dari atas. Ini tanpa atasnya, footplate. Okay, is that clear? Jadi kita mengasumsikan dari gambar ini ukuran footplate kita adalah 1 meter kali 1 meter. We assume from this drawing the size of the footplate is 1 meter times 1 meter. And then what we have to do next is find out the thickness of the footplate. Okay, how to find those kind of information? We can get this information from detail of foundation, but unfortunately, my detailed drawing is not quite detailed to understand the thickness of the footplate. So I will find from another drawing. For example, in the drawing of section, ya, dari potongan. Oke, Okay, upper here. Okay. Okay, if you take a look on this drawing, I hope you can read this drawing. Yeah. 0.00 means that this is the elevations of the floor. Ya, ini adalah elevasi tanah. Elevasi dari lantai. Ya, ini lantai ini adalah elevasi 00. Biasanya seperti itu. And then from those point, we try to analyze the depth of the foundation, especially the foundation of footplate. Ya, 1.9 minus 1.9 means that the elevation of the bottom level, bottom itu adalah bagian bawah, of the footplate foundation is 1.9. Okay. And from this drawing also we find minus 1.75. This drawing show the top level of the footplate foundation. So how many different between two number? Berapa selisihnya? Selisih bahasa Inggrisnya apa ya? The differences between two number is 15 ya, betul nggak? 15 centimeters. So we can assume that the thickness of our footplate is 15 centimeters. Is that clear?
Yes, sir.
Okay, no question? No question ya. So, let's assume that 15 centimeter is the thickness of the foundation. So we just go to the footplate. We have the width is 1 meters, the length is 1 meters, the height is 0.15. Okay. And then what we have to do next? We have to calculate how many number of footplate in the drawing. The question will be, what kind of drawing that we have to take a look to get those information. Gambar apa yang harus kita cari supaya tahu jumlah dari fondasi telapaknya? Anyone knows? Coba Yuda, gambar apa yang kita cari? Kalau kita mau mencari jumlah footplate.
Foundation plan.
Sip, nice. Foundation plan, ya. First thing we go to the foundation plan. Rencana pondasi. Over here ya. Okay. This is the drawing of foundation plan. Nggak jelas ya gambarnya. Kelihatan nggak ini? Okay. Okay, let's calculate how many number of the foundation of footplate. We can start from the top. 1, 2, 3, 4. Ya ini ya. 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. Okay, so we get the number of the footplate foundation is 15. We go to this Excel and we type 15 in our number. And in order to calculate the quantity of concrete, remember concrete, the measurement unit is cubic meter. So what you have to do is just multiply all the number. Okay, this is how we calculate the footplate. Is that clear? Any question about
No,
footplate?
sir.
Yes,
No.
sir.
Okay, saya stop share.